But we're gonna be...
Look forward.
Huh?
Look forward. Shift para.
Look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
Good morning guys, how you doing? Dorian here with another vlog, and this is an exciting one because I am getting my car wrapped. I'm a bit scared because the color I chose is a bit out there, but it's different. My parents don't know nothing about it yet. I'm gonna leave it as a surprise, but I'm doing it at my good mate DNZ Customize. Guys, check them out if you want to do anything in your car, wraps, interior design, anything, they do it all. But yeah, first of all, we gotta get there. We're gonna drop my car off, and then it's gonna be left there for 3 days. So sad, but it's gotta be done. And in 3 days, we're gonna go pick it up and check out the end result. So guys, wish me luck. Yo guys, I'm back. It is the day of my car pickup. The wrap is complete. I still haven't seen the car. I'm excited. And I'm gonna make my way there now. I've just finished work, so I'm anxious to see it. Hopefully it looks good. The color I chose is a bit mad, so hopefully it turns out well. And the next time you see me will be my reaction of me seeing the car for the first time. So I will catch you guys later. Bro, I haven't seen nothing yet.
Nothing, yeah?
Holy shit. Oh my god, bro. Ah, this is better than I expected, I swear to god, man. Oh. Holy shit, it looks like a new car. I'm like a little kid, I swear to god, bro. Oh my days. Oh man, I love it, man. I love you, I swear to god. Oh wow. Oh yes, the spoiler fit. Bro, I'm so gassed right now. I'm so gassed. I appreciate it so much. I was scared, you know. I was so scared.
Yeah.
Because this is a crazy color to go for.
Yeah, I know, man.
Holy shit! I thought it was gonna be too out there, but it's hard, isn't it?
What do you think of the stripes?
Mate, the stripes look sick. Holy shit! Oh, I love it. I love it. He's gonna be like, what the f is this? Because I'll bet your dad's, don't like over the top stuff. Okay. But he'll like it deep down, because when he was young, he loved this kind of stuff. Yeah, he loved this kind of stuff. But you know that I'll bet your dad buy him just like, no, but he'll love it, Oh man, that's crazy. Oh, okay. I'm a little kid, man.
It's even better in the daytime.
Is it?
When you see it out.
Yeah.
The sunset.
No.
That is big.
Alright guys, so I just came and picked up my car. Look at this beauty. Thank you to that man there. He's on the phone right now, but yeah, khaki green. I'm gonna be showing my parents, my friends, my family, and you're gonna see all the reactions.
But we're gonna be...
Look forward.
Huh?
Look forward. Shift para.
Look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
No, you can't do it, man.
Why?
You bastard. Ну каю ты его.
Yeah.
No, no.
Yeah.
No, you can't do it.
What do you mean? It's already done. It's already done. What's wrong?
No, ما شو لازم كوش كفن مبامه.
He just sprayed it. He sprayed it.
No, you are, man.
It's mine, bro. Shiva Targan.
No, it's not yours.
Yeah.
He just sprayed it.
Affe, kom hit så dit om det.
He sprayed it.
Vad är det?
One day you do it, this one.
No. It's been 2 days, 3 days.
Säkert vore det.
Säkert vore det kvar maskinen.
Kan man gilla skit?
Dory said,
No,
Dory sprayed it.
Do you like it? No, honestly, do you like it?
Of course I like it, my boy. Why you...
I don't know. I don't know what is going on in his head. Put, mom, zdina lo. Thank you. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that reaction from my dad. I'm gonna go to my cousin's house now, see his reaction to the car, and see a couple friends and see what they think about the car as well. And then, yeah, it should be exciting actually because I don't know if they'll like the color or not. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like the color or not? Do you think I should have went for another color? Let me know what color you think I should have gone for if you didn't like it. If you did like it, hit that like button. Let's make our way to Clevis's house. Gonna show him the car and then we'll see what my friends are doing. Right, ready? Turn around.
A green Mercedes-Benz.
What the fucking hell, bro? Is that your reaction, Albion, fam? What do you think? What do you think?
You got a Gucci. You got a Gucci on. Is that like Gucci on there?
You did it for the inside.
No, just the outside.
Yeah, that's so bad.
Do you like it?
Got Gucci.
Huh?
How much did this cost then?
Don't worry about the cost, mate.
Well, you got the
rims as well.
Gucci sign on the.
The rims are the same.
Sorry, did you put
What do you think?
it even?
I thought you done it black, you know. I thought you done it black.
Why, bro? It's already black.
And then that.
Nice, isn't it? Alright, guys, so here's the situation. I'm going to my friend's house, but he's asleep. So I'm gonna get his sister to react to the car. My other friend won't pick up his phone. Solomon, you're a bastard, mate. So yeah, we're gonna go show her the car and then that'll be it for the video, guys. Hopefully you will have enjoyed it. I know I did. I'm stuck in traffic right now. Police. Don't know what's happening there. I think someone's crashed. Can you see? Can we zoom in? Yeah, I think so. Look, oh, more police. Alright, give me a hand.
I feel like it's my birthday.
Yeah. If only this was for you.
Wait, don't go so far.
It's alright, it's just a straight line. It's just a straight line.
Can't believe
I'm gonna put you. It's my fault, man. Relax. I'm gonna put you in the middle of the road, yeah?
Oh no, why would you do that?
You might die, so.
I'm not doing that.
I'm joking, I'm joking.
I'm sorry.
Stop stepping on me, bro. Alright. Stay there.
Yeah.
Wait. Ready?
Yeah.
Open your eyes.
Don't give a shit.
I knew it! I knew it! Fuck you!
though.
Do you like it though? I knew that would be your reaction, I
I don't
swear.
care about
I know. But I thought it would be banter,
Go
innit?
for a drive.
No, what the flip?
What do you mean?
You can't drive.
No, you take me for a drive.
Oh, we want me to take you for a
Oh,
drive.
thank you for my birthday present.
Happy birthday, Ellie! I'm going to Solomon's to show him as well
Oh,
now.
I'll come with
Do you wanna come?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Wake the f up, you bastard, bro. I'll call your phone 1,000 times and you won't wake up, you bastard.
What?
Are you upset, Tom?
Huh?
You're upset I woke you up?
A little bit, yeah.
Why are you still asleep? It's 4 o'clock, fam. If you open your eyes, yeah? No, Tom, man, come on, bro. The
My eyes are closed.
Bro, it's the life of the YouTuber, man. You gotta go with it. You understand?
Right.
Alright, wait. We're nearly there.
You're gonna be thinking, what the fuck?
It doesn't matter, bro. Who gives a shit? Ready? Wait. Nearly there.
I don't trust where you're
Nearly there.
walking.
Alright. Stop. When I say open, yeah?
This is it.
You as well, bro.
That is it. That's what you wanted to show me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice, but what the fuck? Thought it was gonna be a pony or something.
Man said a pony. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's nice though.
Yeah, that's the guy that did it.
Did you go to Yanamai?
No, this my mate. My mate did it. Do you like it?
Nice, it's nice, it's nice.
Fuck, bro, you had the same reaction as Ellie for fuck's sake. I thought you'd have a better one, and it turns out the same. Well, you are twins, innit? So my surprise is there. No, seriously, calm down. Close your eyes. Close your eyes now. No, seriously, if you peek, there's no point. If you peek.
Are you coming out later? Coming out?
Wait, we'll talk about it after, bruv. Shit. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Close your eyes, bruv. If you don't close your eyes, then it's... No, Solomon, keep coming, keep coming. Close your eyes. Keep coming, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Alright, you can see it from there, innit? Ready? Go. Open.
Oh, shit!
Yeah, Solomon, I love that reaction. Better than Tom's, for fuck's sake.
Oh, shit!
You like it?
Oh, shit! You got a girl's
Yeah, I've already pulled, mate. I've already pulled.
Oh my god!
Oh, you like it?
Mate!
This is crazy!
Oh, hey, what's that thing called when you put on the front of the video?
What? Oh, thumbnail. Clickbait.
Thumbnail, yeah.
Clickbait. Do you like it?
I'm fucking...
What did you think it was when I said? Yeah. What do you think it was when I told you?
I thought it was just like some little
Oh my god!
I told Tom he was a kid.
I thought it was a child.
I thought you were one of your unknown children.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.